last presentation, the Gautam Singh, who is the last presenter of today's schedule. Rest of the presentation we'll take up tomorrow. So Gautam, please. Okay, your screen has been shared. Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
If possible, can you please go on full screen mode?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gautam Kumar Singh. First of all, introduce my team members and my guides. My team members are Hadik Dove and Riaz Herbare, Akib Zaved and Ashish Kumar Pandit, and my project guide is Dr. Sifali Zan. Now, can this my project is a human following robo. Human following robo, it's mean that what do you want to do in this whole project idea. First of all, this abstract is so many things are there, but I'm keywords in the following whole project. The keywords of the project are the human following, means the digital image processing of robo and the lasers range of Zigbee communication to do something extra of now in these days of ideas. So first of all, the human following robo, it's mean that the not a human a following continuous. It's mean that what do you want to do in this robo. So introduct in myself is its project this project can be find the applications with the military and security, where without their pursuing we can be get know the status of other sides, and can also use of negative around their disaster area and try to find the human who need help. Then this is a block diagram of their robo section. The first of all thing of their IR obstacle detective and human monitoring sensor. The human monitoring, the whole things are monitor of their one in project, only one in project, and everything be monitoring in this same project. The IR obstacle detector is everything know about your or I on doing of any section like military and different sector I can use in the hospital anywhere. So second thing is a remote section. Remote section is first of all the microcontroller device. Zigbee is a communication established to one component to another component. Now this is a circuit diagram of the whole project. We can see the main thing or microcontroller, and same is robotic sections and where connection of their components and each of other. Now there remote section of circuit diagram, and same thing are doing our anywhere control our server and your mobiles anywhere want. Just a few things are doing and you connect anywhere to anything we will be want. Now the components of this project are, the first is a PIC 16F877A, a microcontroller. A microcontroller is a multitasking controller. And now this Zigbee is a nothing is, it's a device to communicate to long distance anywhere. And then is a temperature sensor, and now can LPG sensor of gas leakage of plantage and any we want. And PIR sensor we also knows the domestic and anywhere. And obstacle sensor will find our path and destroy of anything. So PIR sensor, PIR family hardware structure and microcontroller, why are very popular, and what is the advantage of PIR sensor, PIR microcontroller. So this is a whole thing of microcontroller of PIR sensor of analog and digital pins. So look at this pin, and now can this the whole project of the main diagram of their PIR sensor of what can do. The first thing we are PI sensor are a storage of something and destroy of the 1 by 1 and compute the data with the one thing of one object to another object. Now can this is a Zigbee is a nothing, there is a wireless monitoring and controlling application in industrial and home environmental which required of low rate of less of those capacity. And few things of Zigbee Zigbee is a device of take off their running their networks. And now this is a temperature sensor some regarding their this is some information about their lithium and optical of the optimize of their sensor of their our environment and reading their ability and do what you temperature in present in here and one place to another place in remote section. Now can LPG sensor is also used the leakage and detecting and computing of any want be industrial area. You can also use the LPG sensor. Now can PRI sensor is a passive infrared sensor, so electric sensor to the array of beam of light of one way and now can reflect backward and then again calculate a distance with their anywhere. So I can use their PRI sensor. And next one is a obstacle sensor. This is a only of way of path to deduct of robo and go anywhere. Now can this is the simple diagram of their my whole project with their in their working module, a small module. Now can see this is a pin diagram of their how can goes in forward direction, how can go in backward direction when they are helical generating motor in a mechanical in some cases are petrol and fuel the mechanical energy are convert in electrical energy, but it's directly use of electrical energy and it use a wheel of direction of any motions. Now can I can also use an LCD display in the 16:2 liquid crystal display. This display about information of things. The main thing of the system working of the whole thing. This is not for only for doing a human following. Just I previously say that what do you want be to in this project, so you can also there apply of the so many different things in this system like this. And this is a algorithm or program. The first thing is a start and the second thing initialize of microcontroller and third is initialize of motor and fourth is initialize your sensor, any type of sensor we want, and receive your commands like codes and monitor of PI sensor and gas obstacle any we want, and second is human be how can be operate and anything. And now can this read their temperature, gases, temperature any we want. And now last is a stop their section. You any event you want in server and you goes to anywhere a mobile section, you anything we can be used. Now same thing is a remote section will be used, right? Start and initialize the microcontroller and LCD is displaying of knowing and initialize the key and monitoring the keypads, and same thing will be remote section. Now can this the applications of the whole project are the gas detector and security robo, home automation and military applications. So many things are using in this project. So limitations of our project are, this is a project of microcontroller based. Main limitation is a ROM available in the chip programming. I can explore your so many contents in their inside their project, but limitation is a RAM is a fixed quantity, so I can just a fixed amount of their components and command it gets to work. This is a limitations. And now care conclusion. The project of the human direction robot has been successfully designed of sustainables, and this is a reference, this is the websites to get this some information in this project. So thank you for everyone giving this opportunity for present here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gautam. Am I audible?
Of course, ma'am, you are audible.
Nice presentation, Gautam. And with this presentation, I would like all of you to take leave from now onwards, as our presentation schedule of day one, second presentation schedule has been coming to the end. So I hope all the participants has enjoyed and definitely shared valuable knowledge with us. And there is one thing that I think by presenting 8 semester students mostly given the presentation. So I hope by seeing each other's presentation, you will take the idea that how can you improve your presentation, and the presenters could have, definitely have the confidence of presenting your work online. So this indeed has given me the opportunity to explore more and being somewhat more interactive with the people outside the world. So I congratulate all the participants for the active participation. I congratulate all the technical team and the presentation team for timely coordination of the same. So we are closing the session now. Tomorrow we'll start the session around 11 or 10:55. In fact, you can join, so that our lecturer from NIT Patna, Professor Gameir Kumar, this will be our keynote speaker for tomorrow's session at 11. So see you at 11 tomorrow. Thank you so much, all of you.